In the last video, we talked about 5 simple ways to make your first $1,000. People like you smashed the like button and left comments like, "This is easy, and I'm motivated to get started today." But here's the thing, while making that first 1,000 is important, it's only the beginning. Because the truth is, it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. So in this video, we're flipping the script. We gonna dive deep into how to save your very first $1,000 in less than 30 days. And here's a spoiler alert, it's easier than you think. Let's dive in. Clapperboard. Step 6. Meal prep like your money depends on it. Because eating out is sneaky. That $12 lunch you grab at work? Replace it with a $3 homemade meal and you've saved $9 right there. Do that across 20 workdays and you've pocketed $180. Multiply that by 2 people in your household? That's $360, just from sandwiches and pasta you cooked at home. Suddenly your kitchen looks like a gold mine. Money bag. Step 7. Cancel subscriptions. You'd be shocked at how many services you're paying for but barely use. Streaming platforms, gym memberships, random apps. They silently take money from your account every month. Even canceling 2 small $15 subscriptions frees up $30 a month. That's not loose change. That's your money being wasted on autopilot. Shut them down and redirect it to your savings. Woman gesturing no prohibited. Step 8. Sell what you don't use. Old clothes, gadgets, furniture. They're not just clutter, they're cash waiting to be claimed. One viewer shared how they made $350 in a single weekend just by selling old electronics sitting in a drawer. Imagine that. Your $1,000 goal could be hiding right in your closet. Woman detective sparkles. Step 9. Cashback rewards. Many apps and cards give you 1 to 5% back on groceries, gas, or essentials. Alone it sounds tiny, but stack it over 30 days and it adds up. The secret is discipline. Only use cashback for things you already plan to buy, not as an excuse to spend more. Done right, it's like free money falling into your savings jar. Money mouth face. Step 10. Cash or savings app. These apps round up your purchases and stash the spare change. Buy something for $9.40 and it saves the extra 60 cents. Doesn't sound like much? But do this hundreds of times and you will have $50, $100 tucked away in a month without even noticing. Combine this with the other steps and that $1,000 target isn't just possible, it's guaranteed. 100 points. Now let's do the math together. Cutting coffee and eating out, $150 saved. Meal prepping, another $180. Canceling subscriptions, $30. Selling and used items, $350. Add just $200 from a side hustle and boom. You're already at $910. Add cashback or digital savings and you've crossed $1,000. This isn't theory, it's real and it works if you stick to it. Saving money isn't about scrimping and scraping. It's about making smart choices and celebrating progress. Every small win counts. Here's the part most people miss. Celebrate your small wins. Hit $250 in week 1? Celebrate, but in a free way, like a movie night at home. Reaching milestones keeps you excited and builds momentum. Saving money isn't punishment, it's progress. And every dollar brings you closer to freedom. Confetti ball party popper. Look, financial freedom doesn't start with earning more. It starts with keeping more. And you've just proven you can do it. So here's your challenge. Start with just 1 step from today's video and commit to it for a week. See how it feels, see how much you save. Next week, add another step. Build on your wins and before you know it, you'll be on your way to your first 1,000. And remember, every journey starts with a single step. Take that step today and watch what happens. If you got value from this video, smash the like button and share it with someone who needs a money reset. And if you're hungry for more, hit subscribe to join our growing community. Thank you for watching and remember, you've got this. See you in the next video.